The land of fire and ice has been calling intrepid travelers to its shores for generations. Its landscape has forged ancient lava fields, sparkling glaciers, obsidian beaches, diamond icebergs, rising mountains, and cascading waterfalls. If you're planning a trip to this incredible country and want to know where the best places to visit in Iceland are, look no further. In this guide, we've compiled the legendary sights of this country as well as some hidden gems. So, if you want the know-how to build that bucket list during a holiday in Iceland, look no further. Number 1, Reykjavík. While most Icelandic trips start in Reykjavík, this is not a whistle-stop city. Starting or ending your tour in its capital is a great way to understanding the country and the culture. In Reykjavík, you'll find fine dining, boutique shopping, and trendy bars. But its real charm is in its famed landmarks, museums, and cultural attractions. Number 2, Blue Lagoon. In the Reykjanes Peninsula, in the southwest of Iceland, you'll find the iconic Blue Lagoon. Gracing Instagram posts and promotional ads alike, the Blue Lagoon is one of Iceland's premier attraction sites. And we promise you the attention is well deserved. The Blue Lagoon is a geothermal spa, a hot spring fed by the nearby geothermal plant, meaning the water sits comfortable around 39 degrees Celsius 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Set against a dark lava field background, the milky water is ethereal in contrast. Truly relaxing, beautiful and iconic, it is a must-see. Number 3. Golden Circle. Whether you take the wheel on a self-drive trip or decide to join a guided group tour, the Golden Circle should be on your road plan at least once in a lifetime. Enwrapped in this region is the historical heart of Iceland, and some of its most incredible, and famous, natural sights, including impressive waterfalls, geysers, and hot springs. Number 4. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. What would a trip to Iceland be without seeing a little ice? The magical Jökulsárlón is a glacier lagoon filled with electric blue and glittering white icebergs. Watch as they drift across the lagoon and out to sea. Some even wash up to decorate the shore of Breiðamerkursandur, now famously known as Diamond Beach. For photographers, adventurers, and romantics. Number 5. Lake Mývatn. In the north, you'll find the otherworldly terrain of Lake Mývatn, Iceland's fourth largest lake, which is set amongst active volcanoes. Beyond the fact that this was a filming site for Game of Thrones and many blockbuster movies, this region is home to a tremendous amount of distinct flora and fauna, ideal for keen bird watchers.